Yo, what's up guys, this is Paul from Incognet Samples, and today we have review of the project Pickle Rump. Let's go! Okay, a little bit about the drums. I think the producer definitely took the drums from Noizo sample pack. I recommend this pack. The drums here are very high quality. The bass is made of two layers of massive. This is first layer, the main bass. The main bass. Squares of 1, -2 octaves, and need send to filter 1. Then you can see envelope 1, it needs send to filter 1 in the first window, and envelope 2 need also send to filter 1 already second window and adjust it, and send to oscillator 1 in the pitch window. It create a good attack for our main bass. What about voices? There is one, and enable restart via gate. Okay guys, second layer. The principle of create the bass is the same as in the first layer. One oscillator, carbon send to filter 1, adjust envelopes, and also you can see a fan modulation phase of first oscillator. Then two voices, pen position, and restart via gate. Next, B-tube for saturation our bass, and dimension expander for small stereo. After the second layer there is an equalizer that removes low frequencies. So guys, that's all. I think comments are not needed here. Everything is done in our style. The master channel is always empty, because the main thing is the mixing and quality of your sounds. And don't forget that all presets and samples you can download for free on our website. Have a nice day and good luck.